Thank you, Vibhaji. Uh, I think that applause should actually be much, much stronger because this is a woman who truly deserves it. I have known Vibha Rani for only a couple of years, but she's one of the most courageous, one of the most inspirational women I've ever met. Because the kind of energy and enthusiasm that she brings to everything that she does. You were already introduced to her. She does a lot of things with theater, she does poetry, she does all that, and she holds a full-time job. So in spite of all the pressures of a day-to-day, responsibilities, she manages to do so much with poetry and hasn't ever allowed cancer to get in the way. I know how traumatic that can be because I've had two scares in my life, two major cancer scares. I know how traumatized I was. And to find someone like her who has lived through it and come out smiling is just amazing. So I know that if there's ever a third time and I am diagnosed with a similar problem, just knowing Vibha Rani is going to give me the courage to deal with it. Vibha has also, I run a small poetry festival in Mumbai every year, and Vibha has added magic to it. She did an event last year for that festival. She will be doing one again this year. And you watch her on stage when she's dancing and she's singing, and you just cannot imagine what she's gone through. And it's absolutely fabulous to see that. She's also worked with, she's taken theater to prisons to try and improve the lives of the inmates. And what she has not told you, a very important thing about this book, is that the proceeds of the sales will be going towards the welfare of cancer patients. So buy it for your friends who can read Hindi because it's in Hindi, and buy it for your friends who can read English because it's also in English. I've seen this book in PDF format. It's a real pleasure to see how beautifully it's been brought out. And I'd like to just read one poem from it, if I may. Lumps like chickpeas, kidney beans, and chana dal. There are poems in this book about how women just get on with their lives, because, okay, you've got cancer, but you've just got to do what you have to do. Because women run homes and they run families, and what is cancer? It's no big deal. You just have to do, what you're supposed to. Lumps are compared to foodstuffs. The size of chana dal, as small as green peas, or a soaked chickpea, or the size of a kidney bean, or as small or medium or large as a potato. And we eat these without a stab of terror, without wondering how we use them as similes for lumps. Perhaps lumps can't be compared easily to crocin or Bicosule capsules. Our familiarity lies with potatoes, chickpeas, kidney beans, chana dal. Who doesn't know their size and form, but who knows the exact size and color of crocin and Bicosules? We want our lumps to be harmonious with life's universality. So we roll out a canvas of simple similes. Canopy. Congratulations, Vibha.